Yeah, he looks to be about 6 weeks old. His eyes are slightly fogged, which says he's under 8.
Mm-hmm.
And he's a boy. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
well, you know, somewhere in there he's a boy.
Good temper.
Yeah, he's pretty mellow.
Mm-hmm.
Does he kind of sticks around a lot, doesn't he? He's a very...
He wants to be in somewhere.
Yep.
He wants to be with somebody.
He's not a wanderer. He kind of just sticks around.
He'll be a good boy.
Set him down and let's see him try to get to the cats.
Hi, baby. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Is that one inside? Want to be an inside
It's
puppy.
warm in there, maybe.
Yeah.
No, it's just got interesting
That's
things.
gorgeous colors. You're gorgeous. He's a good boy. Love and comfort.
We have a few more steps.